Okay, today we're going to review how to input a DRA3 online. Once you've clicked on your student and click the start button and chosen the book, it's going to take you to the oral reading fluency page. In here, you're going to make sure that you have not real-time administration, and you go ahead and put in that time. You're going to put in how long it took them to read. Then you need to make sure that you change the assessment date. Okay, it's going to give you today's date. You need to make sure that you have it on the right date whenever you administer the test. When you're done with those two things, you're going to scroll down to where you're going to put in any miscues that the student had. So this is on your paper version. You are going to click the words that they either omitted or reversed or substituted. So you're going to click on the word, and it's going to give you the options for omission, reversal, substitution, teacher provided, or if they self-corrected. So let's say they omitted this word, and instead of like, just said something else. Now, if a student inserted a word where there was no word, you go ahead and click the little caret, and it's going to say that they inserted a word. Once you've done all the miscues for the entire page, you can go up, and right here it'll say miscues. You're going to click on the number next to the word, and you're going to type in what they said. So if they inserted a word and they said the, you click OK and click the X. If they substituted, instead of liked, they said like, you press OK, and it'll save it. Remember, these are your notes, so you want to make sure that you are clear as to what they did with each word. When you're done with the entire page, remember to scroll down. You can click Save and Continue, and it'll tell you how many words per minute, what the total number of miscues was. If you want to review the reading, that's when you do it, when it is a real-time administration, so you don't have that option right now, or you can just continue to the next section. Let's click that. Okay, it's going to take you to the rubric portion of it. You already have this on your paper, so make sure that you just click whatever you gave them. How was their expression and their phrasing? The words per minute and the accuracy is already done for you because that was based on the time that you gave them and the number of miscues. Under here, you will see the miscues analysis. So you can, again, go ahead and click those boxes. What did they do? They substituted some words. They inserted others. Did they figure out what the word was? What did they do? And how many times did the miscues affect meaning? So that depends on the miscues that they made. So let's go with sometimes. And again, you click Save and Continue. It will then take you to the comprehension page. Again, this is everything that's on your paper version. So what you can do is you're just going to type everything in for them. You have two options. You can do that, or you can scan your pages and then upload them on here. So that is up to you. You will type everything. So story elements, tell me 2 things you know about Pedro, tell me 2 things you know about Anne, their predictions, their summary. Everything will go in here. And again, you click Save and Continue, and it will take you once more to the rubric portion. You have this. You've already graded these, so you can click wherever they fell, whatever they did, and again, Save and Continue. The next tab is reading engagement. This is optional. If you give them the reading survey, you can go ahead and plug that in. Otherwise, you're just going to go to Focus for Instruction. Under Focus for Instruction, you will see that they recommend at least 3 teaching and learning activities from this list. If you want to focus on expression or rate or accuracy, depending on how the student did, you can click under each headline. You can click under comprehension. Do they have to work on their story elements? Or maybe they need to make better predictions. Their comprehension, are they finding the information correctly? So it's a long list. Again, these are for your notes and what else you can do with the students later on and how you can focus your instruction. Maybe under reflection. Once you're done with that, you click Save. Then you go back to your Summary tab. Under your Summary tab, you will see the rubric for everything, for the oral reading fluency, for the comprehension, and if you did the reading engagement. Remember, that was optional. So you make sure that everything's done correctly. Under here, it will tell you, are they independent? Are they advanced? Are they instructional? Or is this an intervention reading level? Same thing for the comprehension portion. Do they fall under independent? Do they fall in intervention or instructional? Once you are done, if you want to come back, maybe you have to add more things, you just click Save and Continue. If you are done, you will click Save and Submit.